Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3.9, Mixed Problem Solving. Today is a review of last week. So we're going to be doing a variety of problem solving with fractions and decimals. So in our first example, we have 10 and 8/9 plus 4/6. So the first thing I notice is I have two different denominators. So I need to find a common denominator. So I'm going to first rewrite the problem vertically. So I have 10 and 8/9 plus 4/6. I'm going to draw an extra long answer line so I have room to work. Now I'm going to make my equivalent fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is try a shortcut. And I'm going to think to myself, okay, well, does 6 go into 9 evenly? It doesn't, so that shortcut will not help. The next thing I could do is just multiply my two denominators to find my common denominator. Well, 9 times 6 is 54, and that is a really big number to work with. So I'm going to use our strategy of finding the lowest common multiple, or LCM. So I'm going to take both my numbers and list my multiples. So I'm going to count by 9, and I'm going to do like the first 5 multiples. I always start with that number, so 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Now I'm going to count by 6's, starting with 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now that I've listed my multiples, I'm going to see if they have any in common. I see 18, and that's it. So my lowest common multiple is 18. So I'm going to write that for my common denominator. Now I'm going to think to myself, 6 times what is 18? 6 times 3. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 4 times 3 gives me 12. Now I'm thinking 9 times what is 18? 9 times 2. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 8 times 2 gives me 16. Now I'm ready to add up my numbers. Well, 10 plus nothing, of course, is 10. Over here, I have 16 plus 12. I'm going to keep my denominator of 18. So off to the side, I'll add 16 and 12, and I get 28. Well, 28/18 is an improper fraction. I need to change it to a mixed number. To do that, I'm just going to divide 28 by 18. Goes in once. I have 10 left over. So 1 and 10/18. I'm not done. I need to add my whole number to my mixed number. I know 10 plus 1 is 11. And then I have 10/18. But I can simplify. So we're going to reduce 10/18. So I'm going to divide by 2, which is going to give me 5/9. And then I just bring my whole number over to my answer. So my final answer is 11 and 5/9. Now we have an example where we are comparing mixed numbers. I can still use my butterfly method if I'd like, but first I just need to look at my whole numbers. Is 7 bigger than 9 or 9 bigger than 7? Oh, well this one's pretty simple. 9 is bigger than 7. So 9 and 4/6 would be greater than 7 and 3/5. Today, you learned mixed problem-solving strategies.